What is going on, guys? In this video we are going to use the multicamera feature in Premiere Pro. So as you can see here, I have one audio and one video file. Both of them were recorded using, this one was recorded at the 4K quality. This was just an audio file which was recorded by a professional microphone. So let's learn how to combine them. So the first thing you do is you select both of them and right click and choose create multi-camera source sequence. So here you can choose different options. The one that we need to choose is audio because we want to combine them by using its audio tracks. So let's confirm by clicking on OK. So after doing some process, a new file will be generated. Both clips were moved to this processed clips folder, but this file was just generated. So that's the file that we need to add to the timeline. So to add this file to the timeline, we can either drag this file onto the timeline or right click it and create a sequence from the source file, just like so. So right off the bat, we need to remove the unnecessary tracks, including the video and audio tracks. So we're just left with two tracks, which is one video and one audio file. So in order to enable the multi-camera function, we need to click on this plus sign and drag this option to the visible area of the toolbar. So now if we click on this tool, we can see, by the way, we are just using one camera. We used just one camera when we shot this clip, but if you used multiple cameras, you would have multiple options recording from different angles. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you had, for example, 4 cameras, all 4 of them would appear right here, but we're at least combined, synchronized this video with this audio file. If we listen to the original file, so if we open this original video file, the audio quality is really poor. So that's why we picked this audio file, which was recorded by using a professional microphone. And now we can delete this file. So let me show you. Now this is basically, one of them is an audio file, the one that we need to choose, because one of these audio tracks is was recorded with a best quality. So which one is that, you have to check out for yourself. So that's pretty much how you do it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.